لله رب العالمين الصلاة والسلام على خاتم النبيين وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قال الله تعالى في سورة البقرة وقالوا كونوا هودا أو نصارى تهتدوا قل بل ملة إبراهيم حنيفا وما كان من المشركين. Translation: and they say, become Jews or Christians, then you will find a right guidance. Say, rather we follow the religion of Ibrahim, the upright, and he was not among the polytheists who associate others with Allah. Ibn Abbas narrated that a Jew whose name was Abdullah bin Surya Aur said to Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam that guidance is the guidance that we are on, and follow us, you will have the guidance. And the Christians also said something like this, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sent this ayah to make very clear that the Jews are saying that their way is right, and the Christians are saying that their way is right. However, they both are not on the right path, and the one who is on the right path is the one who is following the religion of Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam. And Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is the one who is following the prophet or the religion of Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam. And neither Christian nor Jews are following the religion of Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam. In this ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala used the word Hanifa for Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam. And Imam Raghib writes that this word means that leaving the wrong path or a stray path and being steadfast on the right path. This is the concept the word Hanifa has. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala made Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam Hanif, and he was steadfast on the right path, and he had left the stray or the wrong path. Also, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has used in this ayah for Ibrahim alayhi salam, وَمَا كَانَ مِنَ الْمُشْرِكِينَ, meaning that he was not from among the polytheists who associate others with Allah. And this is repeated elsewhere as well with the same words for Ibrahim alayhi salam. So if the polytheists of Mecca who claimed that they were following Ibrahim alayhi salam, they were not actually following Ibrahim alayhi salam, because they were associating the idols with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And similarly, when Jews say that they are following Ibrahim alayhi salam, they were not following Ibrahim alayhi salam, as they said that Prophet Uzair alayhi salam was the son of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Na'uzubillah. Similarly, Jews said that Jesus or Isa alayhi salam was the son of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Na'uzubillah. Which is also not the path or not the way of Ibrahim alayhi salam. So neither polytheists or mushrikeen in Makkah, nor Jews nor Christians were following Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam, and only those who were following Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam could say that they were following the religion of Ibrahim alayhi salam. Now, one important thing we can see in this ayah, that both the Christians and Jews were assured that they were on the right path, and they were calling others to their religion. If we see among Muslims today, the different sects, the different firqas of Muslims, they have exact same belief that they are the only one on the right path, and all other Muslims, all other people are on the wrong path, and they want them to join their firqa. And they should realize that any firqa or any division in Islam is prohibited. So let's pray that Allah give us true guidance. Ameen. Wa akhiru dawana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.